The Umbrella Master is an Alt-Ctrl boss fight game project that uses an umbrella as the controller. In this game, players will be the Umbrella Master and try to save the world from those big missions.
In this game, player will have 3 different abilities with the umbrellas. You can pull the trigger to shoot it as a gun, you can swing the umbrella and unleash the slash as a sword, or you can open the umbrella as a shield to protect yourself. We are aiming to create short but impressive gameplay experience for the players. The overall gameplay loop will be around 1 minute, and if you count the tutorial and the post-game process, it will take at most 2 minutes. This project is developed in 4 months. During the first week of class, our vision holder, Ziduan, initiated his idea, and then it took us 3 months to our first development, the game prototype.
After we got the game prototype and playtest with the class, we then got the full budget for the hardware and moved on to the alpha phase. Most of the game feature was implemented during this time period.
And then, after we complete the alpha phase, we went to the GDC, and after coming back, we have 3 weeks to do the beta and then 2 weeks to do the gold before the game released on April 23rd. During this time, we're focusing on bug fixing and the game field. Since the game field is something we want to highlight, we will discuss how we did it in 3 ways: the game art, software, and the hardware. So let's start with the game art.
The keywords we came up with for Umbrella Master are post-apocalypse, sci-fi weapon, with sense balls, and giant mech.
When designing the environment, we are trying to align the design with the keywords. We image the battlefield to be an abundant factory, with those toxic gas and water everywhere.
We also design many details of our enemy boss, and we aim to design our boss and its body parts with different specific use.
Hi, I'm William. I was focusing on the animation part of this project. So each ability will have different animations to give a player some time to react to the movement of the boss. And the boss have cast many abilities. For example, they have laser beams, they can open fire, they can launch drones, and even break in the ground. And I was focusing on all of those animations, including idle and transform or turning animation as well.
Considering the time we have, we created a list of what have to be in a game, what grade if we can have in the game, and what will be considered if the time is available. We put a lot of efforts in the environment, animations, and the VFX to immerse the player into the gameplay.
Now on the art team, our software engineering also aiming to create the impressive and immersive gameplay for the players.
The game was originally based on Health System, which very similar to those ARPG, but after the alpha release, we saw many other Alt-Ctrl projects on GDC and learned how important to have short but easy to handle game experience for players. Therefore, we changed from the Health System into a score-based system. And you don't need to concern that you're not good at the game. Everyone will be an Umbrella Master, and you won't actually die in this game. The only difference between you and other Umbrella Masters are only the score difference. We think that this system will help a lot with the Alt-Ctrl project, since every player only have a few minutes to learn and be an expert in the game.
Okay, in the end, let's talk about the hardware. As you can see, I got 2 handles in my hand. When we were first trying to design the hardware for this game, we plan to put everything inside the handle, so we can plug this handle into any other kind of umbrella. We just replace the original handle with our own handle, and then that umbrella becomes the Umbrella Master's umbrella. This two handle was one from the prototype and one is our final version handle. This prototype one is really easy. It got a ESP32 inside, it got an IMU and also a joystick, as you can see. Player can use this joystick to shoot and also move left and right in the game. After the prototype phase, we're trying to think about how we can improve our hardware to make player feel much better. So this is our Handle 2.0, Umbrella 2.0. And then we got an improved version, the Umbrella 2.0. We did a lot of improvements here. First, we add a battery into it and change all of the data transmission into wireless way. So now this umbrella is totally wireless and it's much easier to play without a line connected to the computer. And also we add a UWB chip inside it. At this first design, player used a joystick to move it left and right, and we saw that's not cool. We need a better way. So we add a UWB chip. We also got two anchors was placed in front of the screen. So now we're using the UWB chip to track player's position. So player now need to move their body in the real life to move the character in the screen. And beyond that, we also include a vibration chip inside the umbrella. So every time player shoots the bullet and hits the enemy, the vibration chip will vibrate and let player actually feel like they are projectile something. We also use this vibration chip as a kind of feedback. So when player get hit or there's a big boss move is coming, it will vibrate and to alarm the player. We're trying to put everything into those two handles, but we do need one more component that's outside of those handles. We do need another IMU and a ESP32 control chip on the surface of the umbrella so that we can detect if player is opening or closing the umbrella. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. If you want to know more about it, please refer to our itch.io and check the devlog here.
That's the entire game development process we want to share with you. Thank you so much for supporting our games.